Welcome back, my fellow designer. So in the last video, I showed you how to create a simple profile page like this, in which your user can add some information you want them to add. So let me show you something really interesting with the Quick Mockup plugin. So when you use Quick Mockup elements to create your content or your design, you can switch between different design without touching each element. So let me show you. You just have to select the interfaces, your screen, and move to themes here. And when you change the themes, you have all the elements change automatically. How, how do you think? It's genius. Adobe XD help you to create your design, to create different kind of looking for your design without any effort. Okay, so let's move back to this and uh, use this simple theme. So let's organize this. Okay, and now what I want to do is to link these two interfaces. So to do it, I have to move to prototype and click on one element, the one I want my user to click on to move to the next interfaces, that interface, and I will just drag this to the second screen. And here you have some different configuration you can change, some settings. So you can use tab, you can use drag, you can use a keyboard event, or you can use voice also. So if you want your app to react in front of to react when you say something like Siri or OK Google or something like that, so you can use voice too. So here I want to use tab, and I can choose transition or auto animate or overlay. So if I choose overlay, it will be something like a fade. So like you see in video editing. So let's use transition, and let me show you how this works. So I have my first screen here, and when I click, I have my second screen. Okay, and now I want a return. Okay, um, let's use let's see if I have something in my quick mockup for the return. Da, 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 da. So maybe I can use this. This look like a great button for the return. So let's place it here and put and write return. Okay, and let's go back to design. It's more okay. So I have this, and I will move to prototype and switch back to the home screen. So let's try it. Okay, I have my home screen here. I click on this and I have the profile setting page. I can, after simulate the drop down menu, I show you that in another video. Okay, and I click here, I come back to the screen, home screen. So I have this, and I have this, and this. So as you see, our prototype start looking good. So don't forget to subscribe and make sure you follow me to the journey, the design journey we just started, and push the bell notification to make sure you don't lose any one of my video. We will have a good fun together. We will create great prototype, and more fun is coming. Thanks for watching. My name is Yannick Kidae. I'm a US designer. Thank you.